Yes, today I am going to start with hexadecimal number system. Hexadecimal number system. So, in the last video, in the last videos we covered uh, decimal to other system, octal to other system, and today we are going to start hexadecimal number system. Hexadecimal number system. So, hexadecimal numbers are from 0 to 9, 0 to 9 and A to F. 0 to 9, A to F. So that's why hexadecimal number system is a base 16 numbering system that uses 16 symbol to represent numbers. Symbol 0 to 9 and A to F. So decimal values decimal values A to F represent represent 10 to 15 means A for 10, B for 11, C for 12, D for 13 and E for 14 and F for 15. So positional weight of this number system is 16 means each digit has each digit has a weight of power 60. A weight of power 60 means each digit is 16 times more significant than the previous digit. It means each digit is 16 times more significant than previous digit. Now we will talk about how to convert hexadecimal number to other number system. Means how to convert hexadecimal to decimal, hexadecimal to binary, and hexadecimal to octal. Okay. Now, first is hexadecimal to decimal number system. Hexadecimal to decimal number system. Hexadecimal to in hexadecimal to decimal number system. Hexadecimal number is a base 16 numbering system and decimal number system is a base 10 numbering system. Okay, so let us consider first example in this. Suppose 25A.36. This is the hexadecimal number and we have to convert it into decimal number system. So first of all, we will write the decimal equivalent of this hexadecimal number. So A for, as I told you, A for 10, A for 10. 5 is already in hexadecimal, 2 is already in hexadecimal, 0.36. Right? Now, now we will multiply each digit its positional weight. So for integer part, we will move we will move in this direction, and for fractional part we will move into in direction, means in this direction. So so if we will talk about to for integer part, then this is a 10 is a unit digit, 5 tens digit, 2 hundredths digit. So we will write as 10 into 16 to the power 0 plus 5 into 16 to the power 1 plus 2 into 16 to the power 2 plus 3 into 16 into the now we talk about this fractional part. So fractional part means after decimal it will be right 3 will be right as 16 into 16 to the power minus 1. It means 3 upon 16 plus 6 into 16 to the power minus 2 means 6 upon 64. So now we will calculate this equation. 16 to the power 2 means 256. 256 multiplied by 2 plus 16 to the power 1 16. 16 uh, 5 80. 16 to the power 0 1. 16 to the power 0 1. 1 into 10 10 plus 3 by 16 plus 6 by 256. Okay. Now now we will calculate this. So 256 means 512 plus 80 plus 10. We will write 3 upon 16 as 0.018. 3 upon 16 is 0.1875. 0.1875 plus 6 upon 256 will write as 6 upon 256 will write as 0.0234. Now we will add up these terms. So it will be equal to 512 plus 80 plus 10 plus 0.1875 plus 0.0234. Means now we will add up these two terms, these all terms. So it will be equal to, आप इसको ऐड कर दीजिए. Now I am adding these terms. So it will be equal to 602.2. Okay, 1. So it is the decimal equivalent of this hexadecimal number. Now we will discuss further. Next is um, hexadecimal to binary. Hexadecimal to binary number system. So this is the table which is shown in figure. uh, on the left side decimal numbers are given, and on in the middle hex numbers are given corresponding to the decimal, and on the right side binary equivalent of corresponding hex number is given. Okay, so suppose um, question is you have to convert 90.54. This is the hexadecimal number because this number contains 0 to 9 digits and A to F means 549, and D is also a part of hexadecimal number. And now you have to convert it into binary. So it is very simple. We have to write binary equivalent of each hexadecimal. So D means 1101, right? 9 means 1001. Point decimal point 5 0101 4 0100. So it is the hexa to binary conversion. This will be the answer. And next is hexadecimal to octal number. Hexadecimal to octal number system. In this process is a two-step process. This conversion has two steps. First, we have to convert hex to binary equivalent as we did previously. Hex to binary. In the next step, we will convert binary to octal. Binary to octal. Okay. So So um, we'll understand this concept by one example. Example question is hex to octal. Okay, you have to convert hex number to octal number system. Let us consider one example. Uh, 4e point 7 b. 4e point 7 b. This is in hexadecimal number and you have to convert in octal. Okay, you have to convert in octal. तो 4 का जो बाइनरी इक्विवेलेंट होगा वो क्या होगा 0100. ई का जो बाइनरी इक्विवेलेंट होगा दिस इज स्टेप वन. स्टेप वन ई का जो बाइनरी इक्विवेलेंट है वो क्या है टेबल में 1110. नेक्स्ट इज 7. 7 मीन्स 0111 and B for 1011. So step 1 has been finished. We have converted this hexadecimal number into binary. Now what will be the step 2? Step 2 is very simple. You have to convert this binary number to octal number. So you have to form how to convert binary to octal. We discussed in the previous video. Okay. So you have to form groups, groups of 3 bits. And when we form group of 3 bits, when we will form group of 3 bits, we will move for integer part in this direction, and for fractional part we will move in this direction. Okay, so now we are starting to form the group of 3 bits because octal number is represented by 3 bits. So first group, second group, and here two digits are left, two binary digits are left, but group is of 3 bit. So we have to add 10 here to make 3 digits. Okay, so this is group number 3. Now for fractional part we will move in this direction. So this is of 3 bit, this is of 3 bit. Now here 1 bit is left, so we will add these two zeros here to make group of 3 bits. So now this is group number 3. Now we will write octal equivalent of corresponding binary. तो octal equivalent क्या होता था आपका binary के corresponding. If binary is 000, then octal is 0. If binary is 001, octal is 1. If binary is 010, octal is 2. 011, 3. 1004, 1015, 1106, and 1117. Right? So 1106, 0001, 1, 001, 1, 0111, यहाँ डेसिमल पॉइंट लगा दिया. 0111 मीन्स 7. 011. Okay. 011 is this. Okay. Group means 110 and 110. Here we have to add only 10. Okay, 10. So 011 means 3. 110 means 6 and 110 means 6. So this is the octal equivalent of this hex number 116.366. So in this process we have to convert hex number into binary firstly, and in the second step we will write octal number to the corresponding binary group. Means we have to form a group of 3 binary bits. Okay, and now we will write corresponding octal equivalent. So this is the hex to octal conversion. Okay, so if you like my video, then press like, subscribe and share. Thank you.